We are replacing a screen on a MacBook Pro 13-inch. The screen was actually experiencing some display issues, lines and stuff like that. So we're going to replace the screen. Back here with the MacBook Pro 13-inch, we have completed already the screen replacement. Looks pretty good to me. So now we're going to be testing it to see if we get any of those circumstances that we had before, lines and stuff like that. They're not coming on, so looks good. Just a matter of now putting in the glass, and I think we're going to be good. So thank you for watching Mac Wizard. And this is a MacBook Pro 13-inch screen replacement.